Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the default homepage on CoinStats. To change the default homepage on your CoinStats mobile app, go ahead and open the CoinStats app first and make sure to log into your account as well. Once you're inside the homepage, tap the More button at the bottom right hand corner, and this will open up this interface from where you will need to select Settings. Under the Settings menu, make sure to look for the Home Screen button and tap on it. Now choose one of the options from the display. You will see options like Main, Favorites, Portfolio, and Old Homepage. Tap on your preferred homepage to set it as default. I'm gonna choose Favorites as my main homepage. Once you choose one of the options, get back to the home screen. Make sure to force close your app for once and then reopen it again, and you will then be able to see your Favorites tab or any other option that you've selected as your home page. And it starts with your selected home page. If the default home page option is not available, ensure your application is updated to the latest version. So that way you will be able to change the default home page in the CoinStats account. Changing the default homepage can help streamline your experience, focusing on the features you use most, such as tracking your portfolio or monitoring market trends. So there you have it. That is how you easily change your default homepage within the CoinStats mobile app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.